Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT on mobile. If you're wondering what ChatGPT is, it's a artificial intelligence software by the company OpenAI, which interacts with the user as if you're talking to a real person. So if you've heard about ChatGPT, you've heard about OpenAI, you've heard about the rise of artificial intelligence products recently. Today we're going to be talking about ChatGPT and how you can access it on your phone. So what you want to do is you want to go to, first of all, you want to open your browser and then you type in chat.openai.com. So chat.openai.com. So when you go to chat.openai.com, first of all, you're going to have to sign in if you haven't. So I'm going to log out right now because I'm already signed in, so you can see the signing process. So this is what you see. This is the first interface you see when you come in with your phone. You're going to see login or sign up. So you can click sign up if you don't already have an account with them. If you click sign up, you're going to come to this screen here where you can sign up with the Google account, your Microsoft account, or just your email. But I'm already signed up, so I'm not going to go through that process. So I'm going to go back and click login. So when you click login, you can either enter your email address and your password, or you can just click on continue with Google, which is what I'm going to do. So my Google account is already linked to the OpenAI. I already have an account with them, so it's like, so now I'm logged in. So this is where I am. So I'm going to try to ask it a question. Say, let's say, what's the speed of sound? And as you can see, the artificial intelligence is actually interacting with me as if I'm chatting with somebody. I said, what's the speed of sound? And then the AI said, the speed of sound is approximately 343 meters per second. Then gives me the same figure in kilometers per hour and also miles per hour. Also, the speed of sound in the air and also the speed of sound in water and solids. So I think it works well. So let's try a different question. Who is MKBHD? Let's see what it's going to say. It's thinking. I think it searches the web for information it can find. Oh, this is actually impressive. I'm actually impressed. Because if you search on Google, Google is probably going to give you his Wikipedia page. But here, it's actually talking about him as if it's a real person. And sooner or later, this is going to be a voice. This is going to be like something you can interact with on maybe video call or voice call or something. So who is MKBHD? Gives me the name, Marquez Brownlee. Gives me his occupation. Gives me what he's known for. I think I like it. I think now he has over 16 million subscribers. Okay, he said over 12 million, but that's accurate. I think so far you can see what ChatGPT is all about. So if you want to try it out, you can do so. You can ask it all manner of questions. There are also other AI tools by OpenAI that I'm going to be reviewing, so please leave a like and drop your thoughts in the comments, and please subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.